So I wanted to start this video off by having a little bit of a head start on the repair job on this project, just so that we can skip all the boring things of me fitting the panel, having it on and off, checking how it lines up. So we can skip to the exciting part of seeing how the boot will close once I actually fit the striker. Then we'll be able to see what the fitment is like, and if there is sort of adjustments that need to be done, that can be done quick and easily. So let's see how far we've got. So this panel right here has been temporarily fitted. I've just put a little screw inside there. Obviously you can see it's holding on with a vice grip, and this striker has got this little bracket inside here that actually is fitted from the factory with rivets. So I've put that in there, and I've put these screws with the striker just to hold it in place, just to see what it's going to be like. So the next step is going to be doing a small weld over there, and as well as doing another weld over here, just so that this thing is going to sit where it needs to be. And then almost likely just panel beat this just to get a little bit straighter, and then we can possibly see where we are in terms of welding this bottom piece. But yeah, I think it's looking good so far. Then the next step will be to fit that piece, again make a temporary fit, maybe with 2 or 3 spot welds, and then we can close the boot and see how this piece where this clips into the striker, see how that fits, and then we'll be golden.
Yeah. Let's go. They told me money, you are not dope. Now the flames got them running like a cockroach. I'm finna bubble like a drop coke in the pot, slow with the soda, so I'm about to make a splash like I'm coming off the top rope. Talking empires, but not the Fox show. I'm trying to blow like grenades in a foxhole.
So I've got this far. I've managed to do a couple of welds where the existing spot welds were. These are just basic temporary welds in case anything needs to change. I don't want to go make it permanent, but I have fitted the striker, and I've also fitted this piece here. I don't know what this is called. And then what I've done was, see, here's the other button. This is the button for this boot lid. I've got the other boot lid, but what I've done is I've taken that button out from the old boot lid that was damaged, and I've just hooked it up so I can at least open and close the boot if I need to. So yeah, it's pretty much just a matter of seeing if things line up. Let's have a look. You see, that seems to line up. That makes me happy. Okay, well, at least we're off to an alrightish start. We're finally making some sort of progress, but the gaps are looking good as well. I do need to bend the hinges up a little bit, because from the smash, when it was hit in, things shifted like this, so I just need to lift that hinge up like that. Otherwise it's looking alright. Unfortunately I didn't make a video of what the damage looked like before, but this is the original boot lid. As you can see, damaged. There's tail lights damaged, headlights are damaged, so there's quite a couple of things, but I pretty much have all the parts already. I'll show you. I just went to the scrapyard and I picked up a whole bunch of parts. Got a bumper, front bumper, fenders, pretty much everything. I have everything now except the headlights. But this is what I'm going to be doing first thing in the morning tomorrow. Doing this. Need to do a downpipe for this. So yeah, as you can see, the boot lid is now closed. Fitment is good. Let's see how it opens. Here's a moment of truth. Would you look at that? That's cool. That's cool, that's cool. Cool, man. I like this. It's actually working out. V12 Miata, son. Yeah, boy, check it out. That Jap laugh, yo. Hot damn. That's nice. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. But this this is the next thing that's going to be getting extensive work done on, getting that fixed. I can actually get a new hardtop for this, a brand new one from Mazda, which is cool. And then I'll also be doing a couple of upgrades to this. You can see I removed the water bottle. I don't know, there's just a couple of things that I'd like to change. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I can see that there could be improvements. So yeah, that's coming soon. So you saw I mentioned that the V12 Miata is going to be getting upgrades. I'm not going to let you know just yet what I'm going to be doing. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video where I'll most likely be releasing that list of items which I will be upgrading the V12 Miata with. Peace!